Lamborghini didn't have to manufacture the Huracan Performante. The people in Sant'Agata could have quite recently revealed another extraordinary version Huracan, Superleggera, Tricolore, likely even Mostaccholi, and sold each one. Rather, they gave the lesser Lamborghini a trap-dynamic optimal design framework and refreshed everything empowered by new levels of downforce and more grasp from the most recent age of tires. And afterward, just to demonstrate it's not messing near, Lamborghini went out and set a new generation auto Nürburgring Lap Record. The Huracan Performante is an announcement. This is Lamborghini's method for saying that its future won't simply be cutting edge, however the kind that brings world-class execution. Once more, it will be boisterous. Loud. Sound is the most characterizing normal for this auto. In the time of turbocharging, everything else is too calm. Calm isn't an issue in the Performante. In track-prepared Corsa mode, one of 3 settings, the fumes muffles everything, even your interior monolog. Also, it's not simply boisterous, it sounds like a legit-to-God racecar. Making a V10 sound not simply not too bad, but rather back of the neck hair exciting, would have been sufficient. The overhauled optimal design likewise accompany new front and back bodywork. It's most conspicuous at the back, where the high-mounted fumes underlines the FIA-GT3 vibe of this auto. Inside, it's the now recognizable hexagon and screen contender subject of the Huracan, just now with clear callouts to the forged composite, Logo's interpretation of pressure-shaped carbon fiber, HVAC vents. It's somewhat obvious, however, in the event that you get to a situated position in a Huracan without understanding that as of now, you're overlooking the main issue. So we have a lineup of Tricolore Performantes, donning wings reminiscent of the Countach, arranged in pit push at the Autodromo Enzo Idino Ferrari in Imola, Italy. Imola is one of motorsport's most consecrated sanctuaries, and not as a result of the disaster that took Ayrton Senna's life. It's an old-school track, the kind where each second of a quick lap is on the edge and the dividers appear to be extremely close. Most importantly, all works. You can feel it in the way the auto jukes right and left until the point that you understand you can put in less controlling. Yet in addition, in light of the fact that the understeer is gone in the Huracan, it's persevering with its grasp, yet additionally adjusted. Quite a bit of this is additionally due, most likely, to the tires. Be that as it may, the higher furthest reaches of the Performante likewise accompany greater engagement at each speed. They took the Huracan and included back the character it required from the start. Which takes us back to the clamor, and the enchantment that is a normally suctioned motor. Throttle reaction is moments in the Performante, and the auto achieves the 8,500 RPM redline so quick that breaking off the following rigging with freeboard shifter makes the 7-speed double grip buck with disappointment. Time to move better, and things go smoother. The same can't be said for the suspension, which feels racecar hardened when cutting checks through Imola's various chicanes. In the city in the gentler strata and sport modes, which cripple Allah, incidentally, keeping in mind that you juke into a middle divider, the ride is milder, even absolute decent. Put the Nürburgring numbers aside. The through-and-through speed of a prepared expert does not really connect to how an auto feels. Be that as it may, the Performante feel exceptional. It conveys its speed to the driver, and moves in unsurprising ways that can take you from, goodness my god Imola is frightening, to, gracious my god I just snatched 6th rigging through the broad left toward the begin/complete line and kept the throttle peg, in a modest bunch of laps. From that point forward, things got really passionate. Imola is, all things considered, an uncommon place. In any case, the Huracan Performante is an extraordinary auto. It's effortlessly the best auto Lamborghini has ever constructed, and it additionally happens to be the speediest. A lot of autos are quick. The Huracan Performante is quicker, and has more character.
Subscribe, like, share and comment.